Hello, good day, guys. Welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to download fonts, and also not just only how to download it, but also how to install the fonts in your phone. That's use it for your design. A lot of person have been coming to my DM asking me, how will I be able to download fonts? How will I be able to do this? How will I be able to do that? How will I be able to do this and that? So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to download your fonts using just your phone. So there are different websites, but today we'll just focus on just one website. Now the name of the website is DaFonts. That's the name of the website, DaFonts. So let's just hold on. I think it's network. So when you open your DaFonts, you'll see different link, but just tap on the first link that you see. And I've made a video about the different type of fonts and how to choose fonts for your design. I've done a video on that. So you can check my video list to check out those videos if you're interested in knowing how to choose a font for your design and how to use fonts for your design. I think it's network, that's why we're having a delay, so let's just exercise a little patience. It's network, it will load. So now basically this is the DaFonts. Now if you observe, you see that we have series of fonts being lined up. We have our fancy fonts, we have foreign look, we have techno, we have bmap, we have gothic, we have basic, we have script, we have deep bat, I also have holiday. Now these fonts stands for different categories of fonts, but we'll not go into that for today. Let's just download. Now this is the font. All you need to do, let's download this beach ball. So you click on your download. Now if you zoom, you see download, just click on it. I need to download. Now my phone is on don't disturb, so I will not see. Okay, that's downloaded. Now let's say this font you're seeing here, you don't like it. For example, you don't like the font you're seeing in this place. All you need to do now is to, all these fonts you're seeing are just new fonts that came out. So let's just enter this fancy and click on western. Just click on one of the words, it will open, it will load. Then it will take me to, you see, fancy western font. So let's just say I want to download this Broco. Then I download the Broco. Now downloading is not the problem. Where the problem lies is in extracting the fonts and also importing the fonts to your phone. That's where this thing lies. So let's just hold on. Okay, it has been downloaded actually, so that's nice. So now let's go offline. Now this is the app you're using for. Now this is the app that we're using for our extracting Zakiva. That's the name of the app, Zakiva. Now we downloaded two fonts. Now you will search. When you open this app, you're using this app now to extract it, so you just come here. When you open the app, you search. Now you search for the name of the font. Now we download two fonts, which is beach something. I can't remember, or cannot be found. Now let's go back again. Let's just enter here. Let's search from here. Beach cannot be found. Why is this thing happening this way? Hold on, let me check something. Let me check the full name of the fonts. So the full name of the font is Beach Ball. So let's just do Beach Ball Zakiva. So let's do Beach Ball. Let's see if it will come at Beach Ball. Okay, we've seen it. So just tap on it. You'll see extract, view, text, compress. Just extract it. Automatically it has been extracted. Are you getting me? Now let's search the other font again. What's the name? Broco. Now the other font is Broco, so let's just search Broco. Let's just search if we'll see it. So we've seen it, so let's just tap on it, extract it. Now let's import it now into our Pixellab. So let's open our Pixellab. Now just follow this video gradually so that you will not, because some of you don't watch to the end, you just assume you know. No, you don't know. There are things that are changing as day passes by. So you see on this your search space, now you see 2 files. Now the file that has T is an indicator of you adding a specific font. Just add the name of the font, like that brochure that we just downloaded, just that particular font. But this one that has file and plus is an indicator of importing the file, like the full file. You know, when you do that full file, can be a combination of 10 fonts, 20 fonts. Why this T now will just be just one font? So just tap on the T because we just want to import 2 fonts. Then we'll just come here. Let's see if we can see it in our download. If we cannot see it in our download, that means we will import the file to avoid lengthy this thing. So let's just check our download. Then the truth is that you cannot search it singly, so you have to calm down and search it. That's why I mostly import the file. So since I don't have that time to search, I will just import the file. Import the file. So the file now has to do with the download. So now let me check. Let me just check if I will see that beach. What is happening today? Thank God. This is how those things were meant to be here. It ought to be here. It will be showing here. Like this font now, let's just use this font as example. This boom Amorito, let's just use it as example. Suppose I want to add it now, just click on it, click. I press add. Automatically to add. It will be here. Let's give it a try once more. So I think the app is in another file. So there'll be a continuation. Let me just calm down and look for the file, then I'll continue.